Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how many type of decorator in LWC. So there are three type of decorator in LWC: at the rate API, at the rate write, and at the rate wire. So in this lesson, we will be learn a live demo example of at the rate wire decorator in LWC. So first, we will be create a LWC component. The component name will be wire decorator LWC. After that, I will create a Apex class method, and after that, we will be use the wire decorator in LWC component to display the display the opportunity record in LWC component. So let's jump to my VS Code. So first, I will create a LWC component. So the component name is wire decorator LWC. So copying this name, VS Code, Control Shift P, create lightning web component, write the name of the component name and press enter and press enter. So the component name is created. The JavaScript file is already displayed in VS Code. So this is a HTML, this is a JavaScript, and this is a metadata. I am creating Apex class controller. So I am creating Apex class controller. So the name of the Apex class controller is the same. I will add the CTRL in the last. So there is a create Apex class, and Apex class controller name will be CTRL wire decorator LWC controller. Then press enter and then press enter. So controller has been created. So now I am creating Apex class method. So first we will be denote the aura enable. So here I am working on the Apex class method. So first I will annotation the aura enable at the rate aura enable caseable equal to true. Then write the method name public static list of opportunity. And here list of opportunity property item list equal to square bracket, select ID, name, close date, stage name, from opportunity. After that, I am returning the list of opportunity. Return opportunity list item. So I create a method. Now I am deploying this code into the Salesforce. So this Apex class method has been deployed successfully. Now going to the LWC JavaScript. So in the JavaScript, I will be call this method. So this is my JavaScript. So in the JavaScript, there are two type of method already exist: import and export. So in the import method, we will be call the Apex class method. So here first I am import and try to best practices write the import identifier is a this is the my method name. So I will import the write the identifier variable from sales at the rate Salesforce Apex slash controller name dot method name. So my controller name is this one dot method name. Method name is property list. So I import the method name in the export method inside the curly bracket. I will use the wire decorator. So use @wire decorator wire. If you using the wire decorator, you need to apply in the import wire. Otherwise, it will get in error message. After that, I will pass the method name that is importing from Apex class. This one. Then records. It is a adapter. So if you using a wire decorator to fetch the record from Apex class method, you need to add a adapter. So this is a adapter. So and this adapter will be called in the HTML. So it holds all of the record of opportunity. Then go to the HTML. In the template, I will add a lightning card. Lightning card. In the lightning card, I will put a title. Title name is fetching opportunity record. Using wire decorator. Wire decorators. And icon name equal to custom column custom 15. Inside the lightning card, I will create a HTML table. In the table, we put the class name, SLDS table, SLDS table colon border, SLDS table colon call border. So in the table, we created two heading and body. So you will use the T head. Inside the T head, we will put the heading of the column. So I am fetching the name, close date, and stage name. There are three columns. So here TR, TH table of head, name, TH, close date, and TH stage name. And I am in the table using the T body to display the data. T body. Inside the T body, I will create a TR table of row, and here we will apply lightning template. So here we will apply the template. Here I will using the for loop to retrieve the data from opportunity. For item and for each. So for each in the curly bracket we will apply records dot data. After that for item, for PT item, and here inside that TR will be kept inside the template. TR, and in the TR we will be set the key equal to OPT item dot ID, and here passing the data. So here I will be display the data name, close date, and stage name. So first TD display the name. Name will be display OPT item dot name. In the second PD, display OPT item dot close date. So we can copy from here close date, and third will be copy and paste and replace the field name. The field name is a stage name. So this here it will display the stage name. Now I am going to deploy this HTML. Once it's code deploy, then I get a message deploy code successfully. Now this LWC component call on the Salesforce. So this is my custom app. So let me check. I define in the here I will be define the target. So expose will be true, and in the below the expose target target lightning app page. So this component will be display on the lightning app page. So I mentioned in the target. Now I'm deploying once again. Now go to the app page. Now refreshing the page. After that, go to the edit page. So this is my LWC component, wire decorator LWC. Here I am drag and drop um, in the app and save and go by it. So here you can see the list of opportunity record display here. So in my Apex class, I mentioned name, close date, stage name. And in the HTML tag, I have mentioned name, close date, and stage name. So in the custom app, it will display name, close date, and stage name. So all of the record of opportunity come, it is displayed. So you try to do in your org in personal. So friends, if you getting any type of issue to fetch the data using the wire decorator in your personal org, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tech W3 Way. Thank you.